Hello, good day, everybody. We are close to the market close for today, and we see a lot of things going on for the high growth stocks, the tech stocks, Nasdaq, especially going up over 1% today. And if we look at like skills that went down to 1255, they went up to almost 70 today, 33% increase in the value just today, and without any good news. So it's the market is very crazy right now, so be careful. And for me, it's just obvious that is market manipulation at its finest. It's this is not how it's supposed to be. It really looks like big, huge companies are pushing the price down and then taking it up like a rocket. And well, I bought skills at 1709 a few days ago, and when it went down on the 13, I looked at it, the price, but I'm not taking any action because it's a high conviction for me. The plan is to hold it for at least 6 to 12 months, and that's how it is with all high conviction stocks that I do my DD around them, and if I think it's good, I just look out for some kind of dip and buy it in as much as I can, and then I just hold it. I don't do anything. I don't sell even if it drops 20-30%. If it's obvious that it's gonna be a whole different and a higher price in the future. It's just a crazy time right now, and especially for the tech stocks that are really sensitive for corrections and for on the market. And when it's shaky on the market, it's gonna be very shaky for the tech stocks. And we see NEO going really strong as well. Went up to almost $39. It was looking bad for a while there when it was down to 35. It's going up 35 to 40 and then back down to 35 like this past weeks. Maybe some people are getting not as confident anymore when the prices keep on being below 40, when NEO was on all-time high over $60 in February. But that's what's going on with a lot of tech stocks. Just look at Plug Power. Plug Power was up at 75 and now it's $25. So if you bought it all-time high, maybe you're crying right now. But the thing is with when it comes to when it comes to Plug Power and similar companies doing hydrogen, it's gonna take a long time. So even if you buy in at $25 at Plug Power, it can take years actually to go over that. I don't know. Maybe we are at $50 in 2 years, or maybe we are at 20. It's a very risky game going into hydrogen right now. I'm going a little in hydrogen, but that should be a very long-term play to put in money in hydrogen, in my opinion. And when it comes to electric vehicles, that's a lot more safe. Even if it's risky, it's a lot more safe. Just look at the opportunity we have there with NEO and Tesla, the only two players in the electric vehicle market that I will invest in. When it comes to cryptocurrency, Coinbase, the Coinbase stock, I think it's a great buy right now. It went down to almost below 300 today, but I think everything around 300, 330 is great opportunity to buy. I didn't buy anything today except of Bitcoin. I bought a little Bitcoin at 54,400. And that's more for that's actually a swing play. So but when it comes to all the stocks that I have high conviction at, like NEO and Tesla and a few other companies, it's for long term. cryptocurrency, I don't really have that high conviction yet, but I have high conviction that the cryptocurrency like Bitcoin is going to reach a high value in a few years. But I'm a little bit scared of the cycles that is the cryptocurrencies is all about since it began with Bitcoin. It's been in cycles, and it's just, it can fall so hard and be down for years. So I'm not really confident in going in with that much in that kind of investment, and be down for a very long time. So it doesn't feel that good. We see the market falls a little now when the market close, especially many of the tech stocks. But I don't know if you already know about the pre-market and the after hours. It's a very low volume, so you shouldn't care that much. But a lot of new investors might be a little bit affected by how the after hours and the pre-market goes. So if it goes down, they maybe feel like they have to sell right at the opening or something, and that like Wall Street and big institutions can use this to manipulate the market a little bit. And I think they got a lot of knowledge about it when they done it for years, and they know how to do it in a good in a good way for them. So yeah, be a little bit careful, because in these times I would definitely go long term on the stocks, on a fewer stocks that I have a high conviction at, and go for long term, and be careful to do swing trades and short term trades. Even if you have stop loss, you set in stop loss, it can be bad as well. Because maybe you just buy, set a stop loss, you sell with a 2% loss or something, and then it's the same time again. It's very easy, because like right now, like when it comes to plug power, like some people were going in like crazy at $45, thinking that it can't go below that. And since then it almost went down 50%, and so you're never really safe in the with tech stocks right now. It's a falling knife, and you don't really know when it's gonna stop. So yeah, just be careful out there, and have a nice evening.